This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine using grape juice. First, gather your essential winemaking equipment, including a primary fermenter, an airlock, and a sanitizing solution. Next, select a high-quality grape juice that contains no preservatives, as these can inhibit yeast activity. Finally, meticulously sanitize all your equipment to ensure a clean environment, preventing any unwanted bacteria from spoiling your delicious homemade wine. This crucial step sets the foundation for success. Now, it is time to initiate the magical fermentation process. Ensure your grape juice is at an ideal temperature, typically between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, before adding your chosen wine yeast. Gently stir the yeast into the juice. Then, securely seal your fermenter with an airlock, which permits carbon dioxide to escape while keeping oxygen out. This creates the perfect anaerobic environment for your yeast to convert sugars into alcohol. Once primary fermentation slows, it is time for racking. Carefully transfer your young wine from the primary fermenter into a clean, sanitized carboy, leaving behind the sediment, or lees, at the bottom. This step helps clarify the wine and prevents off flavors. Seal the carboy with another airlock for secondary fermentation and aging. Allow the wine to age for several weeks to several months, letting its flavors mature beautifully. Finally, the exciting moment arrives: bottling your homemade wine. Thoroughly sanitize all your wine bottles and siphoning equipment. Gently siphon the clear, aged wine into each bottle, leaving about 1 inch of headspace at the top. Securely seal each bottle with a cork. Store your finished wine in a cool, dark place, allowing it to rest and further develop its character. Now, you can proudly enjoy the fruits of your labor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.